7 NFT tools that will make you a profit guaranteed. Currently, NFTs have to change the reality of the internet with the fast rising interest of people in NFTs. This makes it difficult for investors to know which tool or which NFTs to invest in. Inasmuch as anyone can create NFTs, but the reality is not everyone can create NFTs, but everyone wants to participate in NFTs. In this video, we will bring you a list of NFT tools that are guaranteed profits. Make sure you watch till the end. We have done some research on your behalf as our loyal viewer, and we are willing to help you navigate the immense ocean of NFTs not all by yourself, but we have done the job for you. Welcome and thank you for watching a new video from NFT Rewind. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Are you sitting straight for the following 7 NFT tools that you need to know to make your profit? Keep watching to find out. If you find them useful, we promise you will see results. But this doesn't mean we are giving you financial advice whatsoever. You are fully responsible for both profit and the losses you may encounter. Just like you, I had no idea how or where to begin my journey into the non-fungible tokens. When I started my non-fungible token journey, just like you, I was lost and confused. I was like, where the heck do I get started? I had no idea where and how to begin my journey into the non-fungible token world, which is known as digital assets. I always wanted to participate in this exciting technology that is revolutionizing the world, but the question is, where do I start from? How do I know which assets to buy and which assets to stay away from? We bring you some discovered techniques to identify the best NFT project with long-term investment goals with some research. Let's say you have been into NFTs for a while and you know about NFTs buy and sell. Whether you are an expert or a beginner, this video is for you, because we will be providing you some instruments that will help you know the best profitable NFT to buy and flip some assets to be able to make money. Make sure you watch it till the end. Before we go further, of course it is no longer a piece of news that before you invest your hard-earned money into an asset, one needs to know to follow some steps, in which I encourage these steps. First and foremost, do proper research using the right tools. Try and discuss with experts or online forums. There are a lot of groups on Facebook, Telegram that talk about NFTs. Always invest in popular NFTs because they're trusted. Last but not least, this is commonsensical. Please do not invest money you are not willing to lose. Rarity. The first tool I will be talking about today is the Rarity tool. This is a widespread site used to know which NFTs to invest in. This site will help you know which NFTs you could buy. There are a lot of different things you use this site for, like finding a good deal on some NFTs projects. For example, let's say we take Doge Pound, an NFT project that has raised a lot of interest and has been doing very well recently for the past few days. To find such a project or any project you might be interested in, you have to search for the project by the name. Once you select the project you want to buy, know that it maybe will get a bit rarer for it to have a bit more value. You will go over the highlights displayed as you click on the tool. All the NFTs displaying once you log in are for sale. Once you highlight, scroll down to see the lowest prices first. This tool allows you to identify rare NFTs for the same price as an item that can be listed on the floor. At the bottom of the Rarity scores, the scores will help you to know how low the price is available for purchase. I will recommend you play around with the interface and exploit the features to see how it works, so you can know which NFT to buy based on rarity. This tool is priceless, not to mention it is completely free. You buy your NFTs, mint them, sell them, and trade them. Although there is a buy fee, this is a fee included for transaction and a mint price. Likewise, there is a selling fee, a potential trading fee, a transfer fee. All the fees add up, and there's no way to really know what the fee will be. NFTbank.ai. Having to face changes in every NFT's transaction is like saying, hey, I bought 1 Ethereum, and I sold it for 2 Ethereum. But the charge is my profit. Sound familiar? If not, well, what this means is that every single time anyone flips an NFT, the fees are all different. To know the calculation of every charge per transaction, you need to integrate this tool to do the work for you. BitDegree. This tool is helpful for revealing and analyzing various NFT collections from the market. This will help you find available NFT collections from the market and go through their data to gain better insight. In addition, you can apply various metrics to perform a better analysis of any particular NFT. One thing about this tool is that it allows you to build your portfolio and gives you the chance to track the progress of all your favorite NFTs. At the moment, the platform is tracking about 357 different NFT collections. This includes different platforms for NFT marketplaces. This platform helps you know which NFT collections are trending and which ones are booming in the market. Modi. This is not a very popular tool, but it is pretty effective to track NFTs. It offers the fastest real-time NFT statistics and feeds. This tool can help investors and also help you in tracking your assets. The way the platform is designed helps investors make decisions faster because of the shorter window periods such as 10 minutes, 1 hour, and 24 hours, and a few more. There is a pro version that enables the investor to access all the data charts and platforms for better analysis. This will help subscribers access more valuable tools. If you want to use this tool for free, it's possible to enjoy some features. But if you really want to enjoy more features, you could go ahead and subscribe. You won't regret it. Crypto.com. This tracking tool provides users with all the necessary information regarding trending NFT collections on the blockchain. This platform will help you gain statistics based on any NFT's price and volume. When you log into the website, you will see a list of the top 10 NFT collections with their total assets, collection value, floor price, sales mentioned over there, and volume. One good thing about this platform is that you can also find out about the upcoming NFT collections on Crypto.com to see any interesting upcoming projects to invest in. In addition, you could track all cryptocurrencies through this platform. OpenSea. This is a popular platform famous for selling NFTs and buying NFTs, also trading. But it is more useful than viewing an impressive digital art collection. It is more beneficial to track and analyze your digital art investments and see how you can improve your investment if you want to. This is virtually one of the most popular platforms whenever it comes to NFTs. That is why it is not the first on our list. OpenSea platform is a robust ecosystem with all the data and NFTs shopped together, making it easier to find the new NFT even for newcomers or people new to NFTs. On the homepage, there is a ranking and activity of all NFTs in real time. OpenSea supports all the NFTs based on Ethereum, Polygon, and Clayton blockchain. You could filter the NFTs based on blockchain and 9 different categories like trading cards, art, music, and more. Icy.tools. The last but not least is Icy. A tool on the startup page has trending collections that feature some major trending NFTs from the last day. If you connect it to your wallet, you filter the ranking for the last 13 minutes and more. It also provides the information regarding the NFTs like floor price, volume, average price, and sales. This site is known for its friendly interface, making it pretty easy even for beginners to perform NFT analysis. The Discover tab gives you addresses of some of the top buyer-sellers of the marketplace. However, if you get access to the premium package, you get to have access to detailed pages of information for every NFT collection, including history and chart. To add to it, you will get a breakdown of their rarities and attributes. And that's all for this video from NFT Rewind. Don't want to miss out on any updates? Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon with another video from NFT Rewind.